Good morning students, hearty welcome to English grammar class. Class 5th, chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Alphabetical Order of Words. Alphabetical order of words. To make a group of sentence, we use a group of words. To make a sentence, we use a group of words. So here there are in the English language we have the 26 letters. English language we have the 26 alphabetical letters. In every language there are the letters. Alphabetical letters. So in English language also we can see 26 alphabetical letters. Through these letters we can make the words. So these words we want to keep in order of the alphabetical letters. These words we want to keep the order of alphabetical letters. You all know the letters of English language, alphabetical order, in a order. Here there are 26 letters are there. You know about the letters. You know the order also. Now we are going to see here how we can arrange the alphabetical order in words. Alphabetical order in words. First one you see here, marigold. Jump, care, run, fast. Now which letter comes the first? Through these 5 words, which letter comes first? First one comes C. C-A-R-E, care. Second letter comes fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Then third letter comes jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Then fourth letter comes M. Marigold. Marigold. Then fifth letter run. R-U-N, run. These are the arranging of words in alphabetical order. First one C, second one F, third one is jump, M, R. We arranged this in alphabetical order. So in the first exercise you can see there are different words are given that you should arrange in the alphabetical order. This is the example of that first exercise. The words are not in the proper way or not in the order. So you should arrange in the order these letters according to alphabetical order or that words. Now let us see in the second exercise. There are the words beginning with the same alphabetical letter. Beginning with the same alphabetical letter. If it is the same alphabetical letter is D, all are D, D, D. Then how can you arrange the word in the alphabetical order? If first one is same letter, we see for the second one. The first one is same letter, we see for the second one. First you see here O, E, U, R, W. So now you see here first one comes E, D, E and den. The second letter comes donkey, O, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Then third letter comes R, rake. Then fourth letter comes duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Then fifth, dwell. This is the arranging of the letter this is the arranging of the words in alphabetical order. Now we come to the third exercise. If the first letter and second letter are the same, first letter and second letter are same in all the words. For example, you see D-E, 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 the same. So we see for the third letter, the first and second are the same. We see for the third letter. Now we can do this exercise. First you see D, E, same. Third letter comes E, A. D-E-A-L, deal. Then here in next lesson you see, next letter you see, here comes C, decide, D-E-C-I-D-E, decide. The next one, deer, E, D-E-E-R, deer. The next one comes P, department, department. The last one, letter drill. This is the arranging of the words in alphabetical order. You can see it is in the dictionary also same, arranged in alphabetical order. The letters are arranged in alphabetical order, or the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So this is the letter, this is the lesson, alphabetical order of words, alphabetical order of words. To arrange, there are sentences. The sentence makes a group of words. So these words are made with the letters. These words should be arranged in the alphabetical order. The first chapter teaches to arrange the words in alphabetical order. So I will give you this first and second, third exercise to do in the home. I will send you the answers also. You can do your best to complete your homework. You can do in the textbook itself. No need to write in the notebook. Do in the textbook itself these 3 exercises. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.